When I evaluate a rhinoplasty, it's done step by step. The first thing I look at is the tip. In this lady, she had an additional amount of volume in the super tip area, and I felt that the tip itself was a little bit on the low side. And I addressed these by removing the cartilage here, everything above this line, and by taking the tip and lifting it upwards. So now you can see there's much better definition here, and instead of the tip being fairly low, it has a very nice feminine angle. The next thing I look at, or area that I look at, is the takeoff of the lip nose. You can see in her case, there was just a little bit too much of an angle here, and I want it to be a little bit more defined, so I removed some of what's called the nasal spine, and now you can see there's more of a distinct stop and start to the nose. And the last part that I evaluate is the hump, and that's this area right in here. I make an adjustment of where I would like it to be and remove the bottom third, which is cartilage, and the top third, which is bone, to create this very beautiful natural profile. My name is Leonard Hochstein, and if you're considering a rhinoplasty, please consider giving us a call.